Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted YouTube channel. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is search for youtube.com/support. Once you're here, tap on Get Help with YouTube. And in here, you'll see this option, Get in touch with the YouTube Creator Support Team. Just tap on that. Now scroll down and you'll see these guidelines, and at the bottom you'll see the account button. Just tap on that, and in here you'll see all these issues. Just tap on the closest one that you can relate to. So for this, tap on delete or hide your YouTube channel. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on this to give feedback about this article. After you tap on that, this will appear, so just tap on that again and select your issue. So for this, just select others. And now start typing your issue and concern about your account, and as much as possible, make it clear and direct to point. So let's say I want to recover my account, my deleted YouTube channel, and please contact me ASAP. And there it is. After that, just hit submit and wait for their response. So make sure to check your email regularly. And that's it, everyone. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!